Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to put a picture in a round circle using an app called Pixellab. I believe you all are familiar with Pixellab, but if you are not familiar with it, I'm going to show you Pixellab. So to start, what we have to do is to open our Pixellab app. As you can see here, this is my Pixellab app. This is the logo. This one here that has P here. You open it. You open your Pixellab app. Okay, when you open your Pixellab app, this is the background of the app. The first thing that you do is to select the size of the design that you want to make. Choose the design first before you start. So to do that, there you see these three arrows here at the top. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you now go down to image size. You click on image size. Okay. Um the size of the image that I'm working on is 1600 by 2000. You get by 2000. As you can see here, this is the size of the image that I want to work on. And before you start working on any picture or anything at all, first of all, check the size of the image if you want to work with an already made picture or design. So after choosing my size, I'll click on OK. As you can see now, the size of this background have changed. So the next thing to do is to import or insert a picture first. Then we'll now put the picture, as in the design that has the circle. Then we'll now put the picture inside. So just watch what I'm going to do. I will locate this place where there is plus sign here at the left hand side. Gallery. When you click on from gallery, you go to the folder where your picture is. You go to the place where your picture that want to work on. You locate it here. And my own is on Bluetooth. My own is on Bluetooth. This picture here that has a circle, this is the one that I want to work on right now. So I will select it. I'll select it and open it. Then when you open it, you now choose the size that you want to work on, but I advise you choose 1:1 so that it will cover the whole background that we created. You select it now. After that, the next thing that you do is to resize the picture, like drag it, let it cover the whole background. you get you drag it here, you drag it. As you can see here, it has covered this whole background here. It has covered the whole background. So after that, the next thing that you need to do is to lock this picture. Let it be fit here. So that you can go over to the next step. So you tap on this rectangular stuff here below these three lines. You tap on it. As you can see, you see this key sign here. You tap on it. By doing so, you just locked this image and it cannot move. As you can see, it cannot move again. See, it's not moving because we have blocked it. So the next thing now is to select a shape. You have to select a shape first. Then you come here, you tap on, you now choose the shape that you want, because we are using a circle because there's a circle there already. As you can see, why picture in this circle here, in this design here. So what I'll do is to select a circle. When I click on shape, I'll now bring it down here and make sure that it fits into this place here, this white background here, that it fits into it properly. I'll now drag it, resize it till it enters this place here. Okay, as you can see here, you drag it till it fits into this size. What you do now is you now lock it. After locking it, you come here. You now, among these options here, you locate where it says texture. This is my texture here. I'll tap on texture. This texture here, you select a picture. You get a picture that will be placed inside the circle. You tap on it here. When you tap on it, you now locate any picture of your choice. Locate any picture of your size. Then you now locate any picture of your size. Okay, let's assume we select this one here. this one here. Let's select this one and this one. Okay, you now resize it. Any part that you want to appear in the circle, you just select it. You get, you select it. Okay, this is where I want. Then you now click on this place here. As you can see, the picture is now here. Oh, let's check something. Let's change this because let's check it. Let's select another picture. That one didn't match very well. Let's go. You select this one here. Then you can see this one now that I select have fixed into this picture properly. Like when you like it has fixed in properly into the design. So that's just how to insert a picture into a circle using an app called Pixellab. I believe this video was interesting. Kindly give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. See you in my next video.